I heard what happened on the news today. Patrick's corpse was found dissected along with his shorts over his head. Authorities are assuming that he was killed.
Patrick Seastar was dissected and had his shorts over his head. That's the strangest death I've ever heard of.
What's stranger is that Patrick wasn't the only one found dead yesterday.
What? Patrick's not the only one. What are you talking about, Funboard?
Mr. Grumpy, what Funbed is also bringing up is that another incident brought up Pigwell and Pigwon't. Apparently, they were reported missing too.
The unlikable pigs from Busy Town. That sounds disturbing.
Indubitably, their decapitated bodies were found along with their severed heads. No one knows the causes of their deaths yet, but me, Clukr, Garnold, Tunner, and Jevin are gonna get to the bottom of this.
I don't know what's going on here, but I think I'm lost me money.
You're never gonna believe it! A giant blue lip clam paid me $1,000,000! I lost $3 and I'll never get it back.
Never seen Mr. Krabs so broken up.
Oh, please, he's such a drama queen. Come on, Mr. Krabs, drop the act. Mr. Krabs, it's just a stupid dollar. For Pete's sake, Mr. Krabs, suck it up. Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs. Okay, Mr. Krabs. We'll help you get your dollar back.
Eugene Harold Krabs, you're dead.
You pissed us off, and now you're dead.